Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can change the language in Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to open Facebook on our devices. Then in the bottom right corner, click Menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Here, we scroll down and find the tab Language and Region. Click here. Then the first setting, we click on it. Automatically go to the settings of our iPhone or Android. Here we have photo, mobile date, notification, and it is all enabled. And here at the bottom, there is language. Click here. After that, we can choose any other language we want to change. And after that, we exit. Close all the tabs. And our Facebook profile will change to another language. And also the second way is to go here. To the second, and also here it says English. You also change the other language. After that, you click Save and Save. So that's the easy way to do it. If you liked this video and it helped you, write in the comments and I will be sure to read and reply. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.